Word processor part 1 files and file extension. Today we are going to learn about what is meant by file in computer. Okay. So normally you know that what is meant by file. File is having a lots of records, lots of datas are recorded in a file, isn't it? Data or information that are recorded in a file. So likewise, in our computer, a file is a collection of data stored in one unit, and it is identified by a file name. Okay, and this file may be of a document, pictures, audios or video streams, or other collection of data. Okay, what are all the things that you are saving or you are storing in a computer? What are all the information you are storing in the form of audio files, in the form of videos? You are storing some notes. Okay, so what are all the things that you are saving in this computer or working with this computer? We will call it as a file. Okay, so this is the computer desktop. You can see that there are a lots of files are there, isn't it? Some is audio files, some video files. You can see all these things. Okay, also you know that we need to save a file with a name, isn't it? The name is very important. Otherwise, how we will retrieve that file later? So for saving any file inside our computer system, we definitely need to save that file. Okay, so when you are saving a file, definitely you are putting some name, isn't it? So we will call that name as file name. All the type of data stored in the computer, we will call it as a files. Today we are going to learn about what is meant by file extension. Okay, for that I would like to show you one example. So this is my file. You know that this is my one of the file. So when I right click here and when I go to the properties, okay, you can see that this is a file and the name of this file is work plan. You can see this. Work plan is the file name. Okay, so now we are talking about what is meant by file extension. Okay, something is written along with a dot. Okay, see here dot is there. And you can see something is written here. So, and here you can see that it is the abbreviation is there, a short form of something is written. Yes, so what is the file type? It is the Microsoft Word document. So we can say that the dot and some short form, some abbreviation is written. We will call it as a file extension. When I click on this file, you can see that it is a video file. Okay, it is a video file. So its extension is .mp4. This is very familiar for you. And if I right click on this PDF, okay, here it is already written. Its file extension is .pdf. So you have seen that different varieties of files are stored in my computer. Okay, now the thing is that why this file extension is needed. So we can say that the file extension allows computer user to quickly identify the nature of the file's content. Okay, we can quickly identify what type of the file is that. If it is an MP4, we can say that it is a video file. Okay, if it is written as .pdf, we can say it is a PDF file. And if it is written as .dox, we can say that it is a document file. With the help of this file extension, the computer user can quickly identify what type of contents are stored in that file. Next question is why this file extension is so important. Because the extension are important because they tell your computer which icon to use for the file and when the application can open the file. That means you can see that, see, when it is a PDF, its icon is like this. When it is a video file, it looks like this. when it's a document, its icon has changed. You can see that for the different file extensions, the different icons are given to the file, isn't it? And it depends upon the software installed in our computer. Not only in the computer, in your mobile phone also this looks like this. Okay, for the music file, its icon is different. For the video file, the icon is different. For some document, if you're downloading something, it is different. If some images you are saved, so it is also different. If the PDF file is there, so the icon of that is also different, and same times is file extension also different. Now let us write this in your notebook. Questions and answers. Question number 1. What is a file? Answer. A file is a collection of data stored in one unit identified by a file name. Examples: document, picture, audio, video, etc. Question number 2. What is meant by a file extension? Answer. The file extension allows computer users to quickly identify the nature of a file's content. The extension is a 3 or 4 letter abbreviation that signifies the file type. Question number 3. Why file extension is important? Answer. The extension are important because they tell your computer what icon to use for the file. Question number 4. What is the format of a file? Answer. Filename.file type. Example, about Word 4, which we have explained. So that is the file name, and .docx is the extension of Word document. Thank you, children.